Yo, I just caught all the morning doves in the tree. Look at this. Perfect timing. Listen. There's like 100 of them in there. Y'all can't see it, but in person. Wow. More coming in. There's gotta be 100, I mean they're robins. 100 robins in this tree right now. I thought they were morning doves. Wow, it must be feeding time. This is fucking extremely majestic. And squirrels. They keep coming. Yeah, I gotta love life and I gotta love nature. I don't have to, I choose to. More coming in. This is fucking dope, man. Wow. They keep coming. Where are these birds coming from? Oh man, there's gotta be 200 robins in the tree. They're all... coming in. One coming in. One coming in. This must be something in the tree that they're all eating. Because I've never seen this many robins. At one time, at one place before, look, they keep coming in. Look, they're coming from that tree over there. Look at them. There's another one. This is fucking dope, man. These robins. They're not even, they're not from Florida. They're from like New York, but sometimes they're here. Look at them. Just chilling in the tree. Alright, we'll end it here, I think. Oh, look, there's one here. That's not even a robin. What bird is that? That's sick. The rest of them are robins, but this one's not a robin. It came right to me. Maybe I'm drawing the robins in. Either they're here for me or they're here for that tree. Most likely the tree, but probably both. They feel the energy, they feel the frequency. It's automatic, and they have a frequency too. Feeding frenzy. Ha ha ha. Listen here. Anybody in here? No? So, we'll end it here, folks. Y'all be easy. More coming in. I'm gonna just enjoy the rest.